Now on 60-second booze reviews, Boozy Bees Mead. Boozy Bees Mead is a new company coming in mid-2019, based in Birmingham in the UK. What they're producing is a sparkling session mead, as they call it. It's 4.5%. It's light, refreshing. What I find, for me personally, this is the most similar to that you're going to get to like a crisp beer, or kind of more towards, like, even when I say beer, I mean more kind of body, more like kind of a traditional ale even. That kind of flavour is predominantly coming from their choice of yeast, but mainly from their honey. So the honey they're using is a Buckwheat honey, currently sourced from the EU, which is currently coming from Lithuania. However, that may change as they move on and develop as a company, but it's really interesting, great flavour. I think this is definitely a company to watch for anyone who's into mead.